Greetings to all. This is Neel Parekh, a technical research associate at GEPL Capital. Welcome you to this weekly market outlook video. In this video, we are going to talk about the Nifty and Bank Nifty current market chart structure, as well as we'll discuss the two stocks which has a high potential to outperform in the upcoming series. So without any further ado, let's start with the market outlook. Yeah, so this is the weekly scale of the Nifty 50 index. I'll just zoom it out. So on this current week, if we are looking at the Nifty has been witnessed the faster retracement that the fall it has been witnessed from the all-time high of 26,373 till the low of index has made at 24,571, which is a swing low index has created. It has been surged in this single week only. That defines the faster retracement has been played out well on the Nifty weekly scale, which is the higher time frame scale, which denotes the positive sentiment for the upcoming series for the index now. On the daily scale, if we zoom out, index has been witnessed the bullish mean revision from its 12-day exponential moving average, as well as the coincides with the 26-day exponential moving average. So signs of daily as well as on the weekly scales are cumulatively denoting that Nifty has been heading towards an upward trajectory. As well as we'll discuss the quarterly data point as well, which is been interesting observation that our in-house technical research team has been developed. So on the quarterly chart, if we zoom out, it's been indicating Nifty has been playing out a 6 quarters cycle. That means after the bottom of 2020, Nifty has been forming a rally of 6 quarter. Then it remained range bound for the 6 quarter. Again, resumed its primary upward trend of 6 quarters. And at a current phase, Nifty is in at the 6 quarters of a range bound scenario. So in range bound, if we look at the current quarter is been at the last maturity quarter of the range bound. That defines the Jan to March quarter is being a range bound scenario. And overall, if we look at that the in the sector wise, the rotation has been playing out well. So from post March level, index could resume its primary upper trend of 6 quarters again. So this was the quarterly time frame analysis. So Nifty from March series, it's been prominent. It would reach its higher trajectory of 30,000 level, which has been acted as a 61.180 extension level. Nifty for the near term basis, if you look at, it's been hovering near to its resistance mark of 26,200 to 26,340 level, and at a lower scale, 25,400 to 25,000 level, it's been acting as a strong support zone for the Nifty index. For the Bank Nifty front, Bank Nifty has been prominently showcasing a bullish trajectory, forming an high top, high bottom formation on daily as well as on the weekly scale. And since the bottom of 2022, it's been hovering at the upward channel marked on weekly scale. Bank Nifty as well on the current week has made an all-time high of 61,764, and from there it witnessed a marginal profit booking from higher levels, but it's been sustaining above its key psychological mark of 60,000 as well as the key short-term moving averages of 26 and 50-day exponential moving average. On the daily scale, if you look at the momentum indicators has started picking up at a lower panel. So Bank Nifty from here onwards has an upward trajectory toward the level of 61,800 followed by 62,300 level. And at lower scale, 59,000 to 58,500 would provide a continued strong support zone for the Bank Nifty index. Now, stock to watch for the positive momentum for the upcoming series. First one would be Jindal Steel. So this is the weekly scale of Jindal Steel. From here, if we look at the current week, Jindal Steel has witnessed the breakout of its saucer pattern, which has been adjoined from June 2024. So it's more than a 1 year pattern that it has been coming out from its range. If you look at the prior historical data since 2022, June 2022, it's been showcasing an upward trajectory, maintaining higher bottoms formation. So after this breakout, it's been prominent that Jindal Steel will continue its primary upward trend toward the level of 1250 and 1375 level. In this case, we have to maintain the stop loss at 1120, which has been 100 and 1120 level, which is acted as a key moving average support. So if below this index trend would get shift, Second stock that we have been shortlisted is Bharti Airtel. So Bharti Airtel on the weekly scale has made a short-term bottom at a lower scale from the key support level of pattern chart pattern. At a momentum indicators front, if you look at, it's been indicating a prominent upward tick from its key oversold areas. On the weekly scale, the current week Bharti Airtel has formed a strong bullish candlestick, surpassing its prior weekly session high, which witnessed the bullish mean revision from its 50-week exponential moving average. So, if you look at the primary trend of Bharti Airtel since the level of 2023, it's been prominent upward trend forming higher top and higher bottoms formation. So, likelihood Bharti Airtel has formed a near-term bottom at the level of 1900. Current market prices is at 2023, and at a higher scale if we are targeting for the Bharti Airtel for the near term would be at 21,000 to 2140, as well as at a higher scale 2220 level with a stop loss to maintain at 1950. So it's a prominent risk reward ratio at a Bharti at a lower time frame scales. If we observe the volumes participants on the daily scale, the volume participant has surged above its 20-day exponential moving average on the daily scale. So volume interest has been also participating in this particular stock. So that's it from my side. Hope you liked the video. Do share and subscribe to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel, and we'll meet next week for the much such as coming sessions. Thank you.